Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use AI to get more organic traffic. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know that you can incorporate AI-powered tools with your SEO strategies? The use of AI tools is popular today. Algorithms used by AI can help provide ideas for content creators and bloggers to come up with brainstorming ideas. With the help of AI, they can create content that may result in increased traffic and higher rankings. First, decide the niche topic to create content about. Go to Moz Pro's website and choose the Keyword Explorer tool. Enter a term or phrase, then click on the button Check by Keyword. Let's explore by keyword. Now you can view the keyword suggestions here. It shows different phrases relevant to this keyword that we have submitted. It ranks the keywords based on the monthly volume. You can also consider the difficulty level. The difficulty score shows how tough that a keyword would be to rank in the top 10 spots for that keyword. The range for this metric is from 1 to 100, and 100 is considered as very difficult. You can use it to compare keywords that you will use. You can look for a difficulty score of less than 40 so that the keywords that you will use will not have more competition for that keyword. Save these data into our notepad, including the difficulty score and the keywords list. You may notice that the difficulty score is high, so we can try another set of keyword phrases to search in this text field. Now you may notice that the difficulty score for this keyword phrase is higher compared to the previous one, which is 62. We can even view all the suggestions and take note of the results in our Word document. In this section, we can view relevant websites that we can use as our reference. We can view blog sites where the titles are relevant to the topic that we want to use. Let's try to input another set of keywords. We can even use another keyword tool to give us examples of relevant keywords. We can use the phrase healthy meals for fitness, and we can discover suggested keywords that we can use for the keyword research analysis tool. Going back to this site, let's try to choose from the generated keywords that we have copied. Paste it here, then click Analyze. Now let's take a look at the difficulty score. We can see that it lowered down to a score of 47. We can copy this to our notepad, then view all the suggested keywords. Take note of the list of keywords so that we can use it in our future content relevant to this keyword. With all the keywords that we have copied from the results, we can start incorporating them into our AI tool. For this example, let's use ChatGPT. Log into your ChatGPT account. Let's use this keyword phrase and ask the chatbot to write a 1,000-word blog, SEO optimized for the phrase. Now open our notepad and choose from these lists, copy and paste them here, then click Submit. Now you can see that it generated content showing an introduction and a list of meals with a short description of each meal. We can ask the chatbot to rewrite it and add headers and table of contents. Now you can see that it generated the content that we asked it to add. The format is better, similar to blog content showing the recipes. Now let's copy this content to our Word document. We can also ask the chatbot to write a meta description for this content. Now copy it into our Word document as well. Lastly, we can add more information that would be beneficial for our readers. We can ask the chatbot to write another 400-word content that includes a frequently asked questions section about this topic. Now highlight the generated content, then paste it into our Word document. Now we have compiled content from the chatbot about the topic healthy recipes for fitness enthusiasts. We can edit this content using a grammar checking tool like Grammarly. That way, we won't submit and upload an article or a blog with errors. Then improve the content with a tool called Surfer SEO. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. We have a marketing app that allows you to use any AI through API. It's called AI Collective. Create text content and get answers from AI. You can generate images using AI Collective. Generate text and get answers from AI. Access a huge ready-made prompt library. You can even get AI employees for everything. Just choose the persona that you want and get the work done. Upload and use documents with AI. You can train it on a special task. Just upload any document so that it can answer every question using the uploaded document as its reference. So try AI Collective now. Go to the URL getaicollective.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.